This is the fourth of 5 videos explaining how to use the UHAC calculators. This video focuses on the for sale calculator. The for sale calculator can be used to calculate the sale prices of affordable ownership units that are being offered for sale for the first time. To start with the for sale calculator, fill out the basic info. If you do not fill out the year, county, and population, the rest of the calculator will not activate. Project name, municipality, date, prepared by, and file name are optional. As with the rental calculator, there is a macro available if you want to use the basic info from the distributions calculator. This macro cannot be undone. For this example, we will be using an age-restricted / supportive housing project, also in Mercer County, Trenton. After filling out the basic info, move on to the parameters. The parameters are mortgage rate, HOA dues, property tax rate, equalization ratio, property insurance cost, and private mortgage insurance rate. The mortgage rate, property tax rate, and equalization ratio are available online. Click on the links to see what the current amounts are. Under UHAC, the mortgage rate to use is the Freddie Mac 30-year fixed rate mortgage rate. The current value, as of today, is 6.63%. For the property tax rate, click on the provided link, navigate to general tax rates by county and municipality, and click on the most recent available year. In our case, we are scrolling down to Mercer County and looking at Trenton. Once you have arrived at the relevant page, be sure to use the general tax rate, not the effective tax rate. In our case, the general tax rate is 5.801. For the equalization ratio, click on the provided link and navigate to the most recent year for the relevant county. When filling out the property tax rate, make sure that you use the general tax rate, not the effective tax rate. Once you have filled out the parameters, you can move down to income levels. In income levels, enter the income levels for the units in the project. You can use the macro to import the values that you entered into the distributions calculator. Cell B36 will show a warning message if the distributions calculator is filled out for a rental project. After filling out the income levels, you can see the maximum affordable monthly housing payment for each bedroom count and income level, as well as the estimated maximum sales price for each bedroom count and income level. In unit breakdown, enter the number of units for each bedroom count and each income level. You can also use a macro here. After you have filled out the unit breakdown, you will be able to see the total gross sales revenue estimates for each bedroom count and income level, as well as the total for the project. The next section, custom parameters, is optional. Fill out custom parameters if the values for HOA dues and/or property insurance differ between different bedroom counts. If you do not fill out custom parameters, then the values from parameters will apply. Finally, maximum sale price details shows the breakdown of the maximum monthly payment, the maximum mortgage, the maximum sale price, and everything that goes into those calculations. This concludes the video on the for sale calculator.